Hey guys, so I should thought I would do a quick video on how you can actually use the AI booking for your integration. So one of the things that you might have noticed is whether you're using Cliniko or you're using Jane, the calendar sync is the most important thing. So the way that the AI booking needs to work is obviously you have your AI agent, whatever you're using, Assistable, if you're using Vapi, if you're using CloseBot, whatever system or GHL on AI assistant, whatever system you're using that is connected to GHL, it's gonna look into the GHL calendar for availability. And in order to match that availability to your, let's say, Jane calendar or your clinical calendar, you need to be able to sync these two. Now, the way to sync these two is to incorporate a Google Calendar in between. So how does that work? So let's say, for example, you're in your JaneApp. You go to your stuff, you grab the stuff that you want to sync the calendar, and you just basically click on create calendar feeds, and you get these two feeds, okay? And you want to go with the appointment calendar feeds, okay? This link. And it's similar thing in Cliniko. So in Cliniko, you basically go to your practitioner info and you enable the external calendar, and it gives you this link. Now, what you can do is you can copy this link and add it to your Google Calendar. So you basically go to your calendars, you click on the plus calendar, and you say from URL, and then just add that in here. Now, the downside to this one is Google Calendar only fetches every 12 to 24 hours. So that means that you might end up having conflicts and those kind of things. So this is not going to be the best solution for you. However, there's an easier way to do that, and it's not that expensive. So there is another program called Calendar Bridge. Okay, so the website is calendarbridge.com. You can start a free trial, and their pricing is very, very decent. So you can actually get it for $5 per month. And what it does, it actually allows you to connect your Google Calendar. So you connect your Google Calendar in here, and then instead of putting this link into your Google Calendar, you grab this link and you put it inside your calendar bridge sync. So this is how it's going to look like. I'm going to say, hey, create a sync. And I'm going to say, I want you to use other calendar types. And then I paste this link in here and I say, use this. And then I say, hey, now put it into my Google Calendar. Continue to privacy. These are nothing you want to do with it. You just continue and you can choose the color. It doesn't matter. And then you click create a sync, create a sync. Now, the benefit and beauty of this is this one fetches from your Cliniko or no call or Jane or whatever link that we put in every 5 to 10 minutes. Now, this means that you're going to have a way more updated Google Calendar, which in case means that this is going to be way more helpful for you. So as you can see, as I added that, it just dropped those in here, which are coming from Jane. And then what you need to do is at the end, you basically connect this calendar to your GHL calendar, and your GHL calendar look at this for your conflicts and conflicts of appointment, which is going to be super simple. I'm going to show you that in a sec. So the last thing that you need to do is you go to your GHL account and you want to go into settings and then click on my profile. You scroll down, you make sure that your Google Calendar is connected. If it's not, you just click on add new and you choose that Google Calendar. And once you add that, then what you need to do, you want to make sure that you do the conflict calendar. So you want to make sure that the link calendar is the one that you added there, and you want to make sure that you add the conflict calendar. So the conflict calendar, it's easy. As soon as you added this one, any calendar at the top, you can go ahead and click on edit, and you can say, hey, the conflict calendars, I want to use these or these or these. And then your calendar that you're creating inside GHL is going to read from this calendar, which is basically reading from the Google Cal that we have here, which is reading from your Jane every 5 to 10 minutes. So this is gonna mirror your calendars perfectly, and it's going to make your life much, much easier when you use our AI booking functionality. So yeah, I just wanted to point this out and give a shout out to Tim that found this calendar bridge product. So yeah, for those of you that are using the AI booking, whether the voice AI or conversational AI, this is the go-to. Let me know if you have any questions. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.